I did, yeah. So about a year and a half ago, we came to Tennessee to try it out, something different. Try something different than Minnesota, and we were like, man, if we don't like it, we'll leave in a year. But like I said, it's been a year and a half. We're really enjoying it. The family's liking it. Just so happens to be, we're here at Landers KTM for the opening, the dealership. I met Chris out in California. Obviously, I'm about 100 miles away from here. He'd asked if I'd come out and check it out. I was like, absolutely. And so it's great to see this. And yeah, just a lot of good things. Family stuff, work stuff. It's been a good balance.
I like it. It's quite the change, especially like living over here on the East Coast. I don't think I've ever seen so much rain in my entire life, like with how much it's been raining and stuff. And just like the riding and training's just, it's so different. It's kind of a nice change, just from doing all the same venues, all the same type of racing for, you know, 20 years, like the whole time I've been racing. So being over here and everything's so different, like each time we go riding, like I learn something new. It's like, it's different. I guess like a riding technique is so different. It's like nice to just kind of open up to like that different style of riding and racing and stuff. I've enjoyed it.
Yeah, can you believe it? In Monterey, Tennessee, a population of 2,800 people up here on the mountain, and having a KTM dealership, it's something I've been wanting to do for a dealership, I guess, for 6 years now, and we just kind of been working through it, and didn't ever think it was going to work itself out, but it did. And not only did the dealership, as you see here, has kind of come to fruition, is we also have the factory team, we have the trackside dealership, and we also have a GNCC race happening right here on our farm. So all this happening on the same weekend. So town is full of people.